Hello friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to your favorite channel CYANVAS. Today we will learn how to draw figurative composition with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. So friends, as you can see that in our last video we have already published that how to draw this drawing through gesture process. You can watch the video from this link. So today I will show you how to apply color with complete tutorial. Let's get started. First of all, we're gonna focus on the first figure. Here we have to follow the light and shadow portion properly. At first we will find out the dark portion with brown color. Then apply ochre yellow and merge with peach color. For smooth blending, we will use pencil color. Now apply more dark. For the turban, we will use deep brown color, dark red color and orange color. Here we will use ochre yellow for his dress. And blend it with white and brown pencil color. For dhoti, we will apply sky blue color and little bit deep blue for the shadow. For extra detailing, you use black glass marking pencil. Now complete the color of the object which are surrounded him. The big saucepan upon the stove with bloomy oil with sweet jalebis. The big spoon and so many jalebis upon the big trays. So see friends, everywhere we have to follow the light and shadow portion properly. Now fill the jalebis with orange color and detail it dark red and brown color, also little bit black color. Following the same process, we will complete the other figures. Similarly, complete the skin color using brown, ochre yellow and peach color and blend it with white pencil color. Now complete the dresses. For the grandpa's dress, we will apply little bit light pink color and complete the shadows with dark pink color. Now complete the pant following the same process of light and shadow. Here we will apply black color for finishing. For the little boy, we will use bright orange and yellow color, also little bit red color. And complete the pant with dark blue and sky blue color. Complete the sneakers, hairs, mask and balloons. Now complete the background figures following the light and shadow. The same things, same process you have to practice in randomly. Then you can understand the total method. Now complete the sweet stall from the platform. This is a old casting platform. Here we can see some bricks. Complete the stall in this way. Also complete the whole background with me. See, for the background we will use simple and light color, but following the shadow, complete the tree. Also complete the Rath very brightly. Here we will use different types of bright color like this and gradually complete the whole painting. So friends, if you follow this process, I'm sure that you can draw this composition very easily. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. I'm sure that you can learn so many things from our channel. So stay with us and take care. Bye bye.